Welcome to our Kubernetes Autoscaling guide. In today's fast-paced tech world, the ability to efficiently scale applications is crucial. Kubernetes Autoscaling offers a simple yet powerful solution to automatically manage resources and enhance app performance. Stay tuned as we explore how this can transform your application management and make scaling a breeze. Now, let's dive into some common challenges developers encounter when scaling applications. Imagine constantly having to manually adjust resources, which can be both time-consuming and error-prone. This often leads to inefficient use of resources, where some applications might get over-provisioned while others struggle to keep up during peak loads. Additionally, unplanned downtime can cause significant disruptions, impacting user experience and potentially leading to revenue loss. Understanding these pain points is crucial to appreciate the benefits of automated scaling solutions. Building upon those challenges, let's explore how Kubernetes Autoscaling, particularly the horizontal pod autoscaler, provides a solution. The HPA is a powerful feature that automatically scales the number of pods in a deployment based on observed CPU usage or other select metrics. This means your application can dynamically adjust to demand, optimizing resource use without manual intervention. Through HPA, you ensure your app performs efficiently under varying loads, reducing both wasted resources and potential downtime. Now that we've covered the basics, let's dive into a practical demonstration. We'll start by deploying a simple application using a YAML file, and then apply the horizontal pod autoscaler to it. We'll set our app to scale between 1 and 10 pods based on CPU usage. Finally, we'll simulate some load to see our autoscaler in action. Watch how effortlessly the pods scale up and down, ensuring optimal performance even under pressure. So, you've seen how HPA can efficiently scale your application. But to maximize its benefits, let's talk best practices and pitfalls. First, always set appropriate resource requests and limits for your pods. This ensures the autoscaler can make informed decisions. Next, continuously monitor HPA's performance to catch anomalies early. On the flip side, avoid common pitfalls like using improper metrics or not testing in environments similar to production. These can lead to inefficient scaling or even downtime. By adhering to best practices, you're set to leverage the full potential of Kubernetes Autoscaling. It seamlessly adjusts resources, ensuring peak performance and efficient resource use. For any cloud-based application, this translates to better reliability and reduced costs. So, why wait? Implement Kubernetes Autoscaling and share your experiences or any questions in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you.